Welcome to the YouTube channel. If your Samsung A51 is locked and you forgot the pattern or can't remove your Google account, stay until the end of the video. I'm going to show you how to reboot your device in Qualcomm 9008 mode and repair it quickly and easily. The Samsung A51 comes with a Qualcomm processor and has a USB and bootloader lock. Therefore, it is not possible to boot into EDL mode without authorization. So if it's locked and you can't bypass the FRP or the screen pattern, this method may be your best option. To do this, we'll need a special tool. Open your browser and go to www.mixdow.com. Once there, search for SamFlash tool, download it, and install it on your computer. The video description provides a step-by-step guide on how to install it correctly. I recommend watching everything before starting to avoid mistakes. Now, pay attention. This procedure isn't easy if you don't have any technical experience. If you're not confident, it's best not to try it, although sometimes it's the only way to remove your Google account. Do this at your own risk, as I'm not responsible if something goes wrong. The method we're going to use includes fastboot, ADB test point, and EDL mode commands. EDL mode, boot your phone into Qualcomm Qt Loader 9008. From there, you can flash the stock ROM, clear the FRP, or perform a hard reset. And what is the EDL point? It's a small copper point on the phone's motherboard. It's used to force emergency mode and thus repair or unlock the device. Here's how to find and use this point on the A51. Listen carefully. You'll need a tool compatible with EDL mode. You'll also need a metal tweezers and a magnifying glass or microscope to see the details. First, open the back cover of the Samsung A51. Carefully disassemble the device. Locate the EDL point on the phone's motherboard. I show you a larger image in the video so you know where it is. Then, using a clamp or copper wire, touch the 2 points at the same time. Connect the phone to the PC with a USB cable. Done. The Samsung A51 enters EDL mode, and you can now perform a hard reset. Remove the FRP or flash the firmware. Open the unlock or flash tool. Click scan.com port. Select the Qualcomm Qt Loader 9008 port. Now go to the Tools features and click Reset FRP. That's it. Your Samsung A51 will be unlocked instantly. If this method helped you or you have any questions, leave a comment below. I enjoy reading your thoughts and responding when I can. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell to see all the new tutorials. See you in the next video.